Don't forget to subscribe to Jolly Jelly Toys.
Hey guys, today we're going to do another snack opening video, and right now I'm going to start with the Hello Kitty Matcha Green Tea Marshmallows. Now there were a whole range of flavors, strawberry, chocolate. I'm going to do the green tea. So here we have Hello Kitty in a kimono. There's not too much on the back here, it's just writing. So I'm going to open it and try one. They're like cute little marshmallow balls. Yeah, definitely a matcha taste. So what I want to see is, oh, okay, so here's the green tea inside. This is the matcha jelly what's inside, and they were correct. Good. Alright, let's go on to the next one. This is something that I don't know, but it has all the animals' names on the cookies, so I want to see if that's right. There's a lion, a monkey, a hippo, a bunny, a crocodile, a cat, an elephant. There's some more animals here on the side. And it says, and a little comic. What are you looking at? A shooting star. Oh, and actually, it gives you a little guide to all the animals you can get. I'm going to take a picture of that. Okay, so I'm going to post the picture of the guide. So let's open it up. So here you have different animals. Here's a cat, a bird. So different animals. Let's see. So here is porcupine. Here is a monkey. Here is a bear. Here is a raccoon. Actually, these are really cute. I'm going to save them for my kids. You know, it's not a sweet snack. It's a savory one. It's like a cracker. Of course. I could just do an opening of these. Cow. Fur seal? What's a fur seal? A willow boar? Oh, wild boar. Ah, a wild boar. Okay. Sheep. Sparrow. Monkey. Okay. So these are cute. Because the fun never stops, if you open this up, there are things to do inside. You can cut this little guy out and color him. So I'm going to cut him out. So clearly this is the snack that keeps on giving. When you finish eating it, you can have a craft. I need to learn to cut like my daughters in kindergarten and pre-K. So here we go. So you can cut that out and color it. You can pop this out, because see, there's a thing for you to pop it out. And it's a thing for you. Now, there are a lot of different flavors of these, too. So I imagine this is chocolate, marshmallow, and cookie, because there's a camp. Here's a tent. Here's a mom and a dad and a dog and a campfire. Here's another picture of it. And here, if you see right there, there's the mom and the dad. And here, there's a koala. So let's open this up. And let's see if they have any crafts on the inside of the box. No, nothing on the inside of the box. So here you have 2 packs of toppos. I'm going to use a scissor here. And if you look, if you can see inside. So here they are. So they're completely chocolate. And they have chocolate on the inside. Those are very good. Those are the toppos. Let's look at the chocos. Here's a little winky guy over here. And here's another chart. Let me see if I can get this tag off. Because there's a guide that shows you. I can't get the tag off. There's a guide to what they say. So here you have this little guy. The pictures don't come out so well, but I like this one because you can sort of see what's in here. It's chocolate inside a cookie. Then we have this, which are like little ice cream cones. There's an ice cream guy. Here's a strawberry ice cream guy and a chocolate flying ice cream guy. A vanilla ice cream guy. And we're going to open it up. And if you see in here, you can see the different flavors. This is a chocolate. This is a vanilla. And this is a strawberry. So we'll look at these three. So this is, I believe I just cut a hole in the bottom. So this is what it looks like. If you break it in half, it shows you there's chocolate here, and more chocolate, and then strawberry. This is the chocolate one. This is a little easier to open. So here's the chocolate one. It's chocolate on the bottom too. It's got this like weird. It's like all chocolate. It has like a coffee-ish taste to it. And this is vanilla. I broke the cone. Here we go, get chocolate and vanilla. More vanilla. That's good. And there you have the ice cream. Caplico Mini. See, it says, actually tells you in English the name. Caplico Mini. And here's Hello Kitty lollipops. Look at me. Hello Kitty. So little lollipops with pastel colors. So let's take a look. So there's a zip tie opening. Nope, there is not, so I'm going to cut it. Let's open a white one. So I wonder if it's Hello Kitty shaped. See, we have Hello Kitty and her teddy bear, her flying teddy bear. Okay, nope, it's just the lollipop. Let me see if the green one is a different flavor. It is. Here we have pink and yellow. And here's a blue one. See if that's another color. It is. See a little hint of orange coming out. That's three, right? Oh, the pink one. We'll see if this one's another color. This maybe. I'm not sure. No, this is the same. Twins. Little twin lollipops. So I guess it's three flavors. Alright, tell me which one you like best. Bye, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe to Jolly Jelly Toys.